Wala ka rin bang magawa sa araw na ito? Pues ito ang life hacks para sa iyo. Kumuha ng tigdigis na glue stick, karton at paper bag. At wala! Meron ka ng mumurahing stationery. What's going on guys? ProjectJohnRey here and welcome back to my channel. On my previous video, I did an art supply haul. So that is why for today's project, I'm going to get them organized. So this old boxes. I actually have two. So specifically, what we're going to do now is I'm going to make a call it stationery or desk organizer. So I start by sketching the outlook of the stationery I am going to make. Ganyan siya. But of course, before we get started, if you're just new to my YouTube channel and you love fashion illustrations, arts and crafts and some sort of, please consider subscribe and do not forget to ring the notification bell for yourself to get updated on my next project. So I cut 3 pieces of 12.5 by 4 inches. I also cut 8 pieces of 4.5 by 4 inches. I cut 12.5 by around more than 9 inches. For the base, I cut 9 inches by around more than 4 inches. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover these raw edges that is visible when we display our stationery. I want to use this manila paper that I bought on National Bookstore, but I really wanted to promote as well recycled here on my video today. So I'm going to use this paper bag to cover those raw edges. Now I cut a lot of strips out of the paper bag, and these strips is the thing that I'm going to cover these raw edges, and this is going to be using this glue stick. After I attach everything and assemble, this is the finished product. And just in case, I made another one. There it is. You know what, covering this pieces everything is an option, but I would like to ano sabihin ko, basta yon, gusto ko lang siyang i-keep as it is. So ganyan na siya guys pagkatapos kong ilagay yung mga art materials ko. Sneak peek ulit tayo real quick. So ito mga pencils, ito yung crayons, color pen, pentel pen, color pencils, pero magkakaibang brand sila. I mean, ito pareho, Faber-Castell. Ito, hindi ko alam yung brand niya eh. Binigay lang yun eh. Kasi ito yung mga maliliit ko na color pencils. Tapos, meron pala akong pencil extender, which is yung mga maliliit na pencils. Pwede mo silang isuksok dito. Tapos, maging komportable na yung paggamit mo sa kanila. Yun, mechanical pencil, tapos yung Staedtlers ko na pencils, metallic pens, and then glitter pens, tapos some assorted ball pens, unsharp pencils. Ayan, dito ko nilagay yung sign pen ko, ball pens na ginagawa kong lipstick ng fashion illustration, tapos yung yung white, yung highlighter ko. Dito sa baba yung eraser, tapos yung mga sharpeners, yun, ito yung mga sequins tsaka mga beads, tapos yung fabric glue. Sa baba same lang, yarns, tapos yung oil pastel, tapos yung watercolor, tapos yung old kong compilation, pati yung vellum paper ko dyan. Yun lang. Yan. So, ganyan yung itsura niya kapag nalagay mo na yung mga art materials mo. For me, medyo okay naman siya. Yun. That's it for today's project, guys. I hope that you love our project today. Have fun doing your own project, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye!